What do we do now?
I don't know. I think let's get the show going, right?
Yeah. I'm a little sad. Should I be sad? No, I shouldn't be sad.
Why should you be sad? Everyone is here. The media is here. Our friends are here. Families here. What else do you want?
But यार वहाँ पे you know Angelina Jolie है यार.
तो क्या यहाँ पर केके भाई है यार?
वहाँ पे Brad Pitt है यार.
Dude, यहाँ पे सोना है.
Tom Cruise यार.
Dude, मीका पाजी.
And you know.
Wait, रोतलू बस हो गया, okay? यहाँ पे राम संपत, नवराज हंस सब तो है ना यहाँ पर यार. और क्या चाहिए? हाँ? Chill. Okay.
और हम भी हैं.
हम
भी हैं. That's the main part.
हम भी नहीं, हम ही हैं.
हम ही हैं. जहाँ हम खड़े होते हैं, पार्टी वहीं से शुरू होती है.
Absolutely. Let's go for this. Okay. Let's go. Start?
Let's go for it.
Okay, guys, small disclaimer before we start. This is the first time we're hosting something. तो अगर अच्छा लगा तो please तालियां. अच्छा नहीं लगा फिर भी तालियां. When you leave from here, please write nice things about us. Okay, because the thing is the pen is mightier than the sword, right?
See, we're gonna try our best. अगर बोर हुए तो फिर भी जाना मत. There's good food after it यार. मैं भी join करूँगा तुम लोग को.
Wow, free खाने के लिए तो हम कहीं भी जा सकते हैं यार.
Yeah.
Control. Don't get carried away. तेरे को बहुत थप्पड़ पड़ेंगे बाद में समझा ना?
अरे थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता है यार. जूतों से लगता है.
Bro, by the way we are doing it ना, शायद जूते वूते तो कम पड़ेंगे. टमाटर अंडे. ए उसके हाथ में टमाटर है देख.
अरे बाप रे. Duck. Okay, great. I think we should start the show, right?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Okay, here we go. So, music is one of the most important departments in bringing a film to life. It can evoke so many different emotions.
Anger, love, happiness, you know, sad and everything.
Passion. Yes.
It's passion right there.
In the words of Bob Marley, the best thing about music is that when it hits you, you feel no pain.
So without much ado, let's get this thing going.
Let's go for it. Okay, first of all, we'd like to call a gentleman who in a very short span of time has made a huge splash in Bollywood.
He started by composing advertising jingles and then he went on to composing pop albums like Tanha Dil, Tanha
Bro,
Zafar.
we are bathroom singers, I remember that.
But I like singing it. Yeah.
I think let's leave the singing to the pros. Okay, he's composed music for wonderful films such as Fukre, Delhi Belly, Talash,
Bhootnath
Returns,
Returns.
and of course, yeah, Purani Jeans.
And yes, Purani Jeans.
Yes,
That's the biggest one there.
Absolutely.
All right, fantastic. First of all, I'd like to say, I'd like to thank my director, Tanushree, for giving me this incredible opportunity to score. I've been dying to do a purely romantic film, and I don't know why it's been evading me all this time. I've been, you know, especially after you do a song like Bhag Di Ke Bose, people don't look at you for romantic movies. So, first of all, I'd like to thank Tanushree. I'd like to thank the Lullas for believing in me. And I'd like to thank Eros for doing such an incredible job with Purani Jeans. I think Purani Jeans is one of those films that's got really high visibility right now. Of course, we can never have enough visibility, so please push it even harder. But yeah, but I think it's already. I mean, I think Dilachkal is already doing the rounds pretty strongly, so I'm really happy about that. Then I'd like to just say that you know, one of the things that we did when we were working on the music of Purani Jeans is we said, okay, hang on. First of all, what's the kind of music we like to hear? Forget about all the music out there. Forget about the music, you know, that's okay, whatever is the trend right now. What's the music that touches our soul? And we're going to go behind that. We're going to back that. That's really what Purani Jeans is about. As a film, Purani Jeans is about your life. It's about everybody's friendships, you know, first loves, loss, memories. I mean, it's just an incredibly emotional film, and it's a really strong roller coaster of emotions. I think that's what they call it nowadays, right? Purani Jeans, a roller coaster of emotions. That's what I've heard. But what's really, really beautiful about the film for me is that it speaks from the heart. There's not one moment in the film when you lose that connection to your life. And, you know, so I really, really feel thankful to be part of this journey. The other part that's really exciting is the fact that I've worked with fantastic singers, just stunning, stunning singers. And, you know, there's one album out there right now that has Navraj Hans, Sona, KK, Mika, and occasionally myself as well, singing. So yeah, without further ado, I'd like to get the singers on stage. Thank you so much.
Superb. Senti country.
Come on, तू क्या बात कर रहा है यार? As if you haven't cried seeing a film, Indian film.
Dude, you're mad what? मैं कभी रोता नहीं हूँ फिल्मों में यार.
Really?
हाँ.
You know, it's funny. I was having a conversation with your mom just before the show started going, and she said कि तू हर film में रोता है यार.
पागल है क्या? Don't listen to mom यार. Mom, anything.
झूठ बोल रहा है. झूठ बोल रहा है. अच्छा, तू मुझे ये बात बता कि last film कौन सी थी जिसमें तू रोया?
I think राम गोपाल वर्मा की आग. शायद.
Bro, तेरे को वो समझा नहीं. It's a film. बहुत आगे की फिल्म है यार. वो तो समझता नहीं ये बात.
But I thought it was a remake, right?
Yeah, whatever. But it's okay. Let it be. You're not the only one who cried watching the film.
Anyways, enough of that. Back to Sufi songs and Purani Jeans. Let's
Yes.
get on stage. The one and only Navraj Hans. This is a song which is very close to both our hearts.
Yeah.
Jind Meriye. Let's hear it for Navraj Hans.
I love his hairstyle.
दर्द नहीं थोड़ा इश्क दे रोग बल्ले कई अकला कई शकला वाले किते इश्क ने कमले चले ओ बर्बाद होए कर हाफिज जो कर इश्क ने मल्ले. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. First of all, thanks to Ram Sampath sir for giving me this opportunity. Eros, and I'm honored to be here sharing this stage with such legends. Mika Paji, KK sir, Sona ji, thank you sir. ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਗਾਣਾ ਗਾ ਲਈਏ ਜੀ ਫਿਲਮ ਦਾ.